Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I'll show you how you can change your always on display theme. You have to go for the settings, and the first, find display, then scroll down and move for always on panel, tap on the right upper corner to turn it on, then go for the clock style. As you can see, we get here only 3 themes, unfortunately, but you can change it. So there is the digital and analog clock, you can pick one of them. I'm going to pick this one. Click apply and take a look right now. Here it is. As you can see, it appears on the display. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.